Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install JupyterLab on Ubuntu 22.04. To start, run the following command to update your Ubuntu package index. Now install Python 3 and Node.js through the Ubuntu repository with the following command. After the installation is complete, check the version of dependencies with the following command. After installing dependencies, you'll install Jupyter in the Python virtual environment. You'll run Jupyter as a non-root user, so make sure you've created it. Log into your user with the following command. Next, run the following command to create a new directory and move into it. Then, create a new Python virtual environment. Now, activate the virtual environment with the following command. Next, run the following command to install Jupyter. After the process is finished, check the Jupyter version with the following command. You will see the version of each Jupyter component. First, run the following command to generate the Jupyter server configuration and password. Enter your password when prompted and then repeat it. Check the Jupyter server configuration with the following command. You will see a similar output like the following. Next, run the following command to generate the JupyterLab configuration. Then, check the JupyterLab configuration. In the following output, you will see the default URL path for JupyterLab. Now, run the following command to start JupyterLab from the command line. The JupyterLab should be running on port 8888 in the URL path. Now, visit the following URL to access your JupyterLab installation. You will see the following Jupyter dashboard. Now press Ctrl and C and type yes to terminate the JupyterLab process. In this guide, you'll run Jupyter in the background as a service. So now you need to create a new systemd service file for Jupyter. Create a new systemd service file with the following command. Input the following configuration and make sure to change user green to your username. Save the file and exit the editor when finished. Next, run the following command to reload the systemd manager and activate your new service file. Then, start and enable the JupyterLab service with the following command. After that, run the following command to check the JupyterLab service status. You will see the JupyterLab service is running and enabled on your system. Before setting up nginx as a reverse proxy, you need to allow remote access to JupyterLab. Now you'll modify the JupyterLab configuration file and enable remote access. Uncomment the following option and change it to true. This will enable remote access for JupyterLab. Save and exit the file when finished. Now, run the following command to restart the JupyterLab service and apply your changes. After remote access is enabled in Jupyter, a new token for setting up a password will be generated. Take a look at the bottom of the message, and copy the generated token for Jupyter. In this section, you'll install and configure nginx as a reverse proxy for your Jupyter installation. So, make sure you've your domain name, whether it's a public or private domain name. Install the nginx web server with the following command. After the installation is complete, create a new nginx server block configuration. Add the following configuration to the file, and make sure to change the domain name within the server name option. When done, save and exit the file. Now, run the following command to activate the JupyterLab server block and verify your nginx syntax. If you have the correct configuration, you will get the following output. After that, run the following command to restart nginx and apply your new JupyterLab server block configuration. After the command is executed, your Jupyter is running under the nginx reverse proxy. Now, edit the host's file. Add your server IP address and the domain name Jupyter. Then, save and exit the file. Now, open your web browser and visit your Jupyter domain name. If your configuration is successful, you will see the Jupyter login page. Scroll down to the bottom and paste the token for your Jupyter installation. Then, input the new password for Jupyter and click Login and set new password. If successful, you'll see the Jupyter dashboard, and your password for Jupyter will also be changed.